Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zone. If you're looking for the best compact camera, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best compact camera options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which compact camera is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Fujifilm X100VI. The Fujifilm X100 series is a long-running favorite among enthusiasts and pro photographers who want a fixed lens camera with picture quality and handling on par with swappable lens models. The latest iteration, the X100VI, $1,599.95, has all the same appeal as earlier entries, including a retro-style exterior, physical dial controls, and a unique optical electronic hybrid viewfinder. Under the hood, this edition gets in-body stabilization and a wonderful 40MP sensor that enables digital zoom, both upgrades over the exceptional X100V. Earlier versions were always a joy to use, but these improvements add real utility and reinforce just how enjoyable it is to hold the camera and use it to make images. It easily earns our Editor's Choice Award for compact cameras and gets an even stronger endorsement than its predecessors. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix LX100II. The Panasonic Lumix LX100II is a premium compact camera with a 17-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor. It's designed with enthusiasts in mind, with a dedicated shutter speed dial and aperture ring around the lens for on-the-fly exposure adjustments. It's also very portable and lightweight. It takes advantage of its larger sensor by cropping photos down to a range of different aspect ratios without reducing field of view. Because of this, it's built in like a DC. Lens has a full-frame equivalent focal length of 24 to 75 mm, giving you some flexibility to zoom in or take close-ups. It delivers excellent JPEG image quality and has impressive raw noise handling capability, making it well-suited to taking photos in low light. That said, its video quality isn't quite as impressive, and it introduces a lot of rolling shutter effect when panning from side to side. Its autofocus system also struggles to track moving faces, though it does a better job with objects. Number 3. DJI Pocket 3. It's been just over 4 months since I got the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and in this blog, I will share my thoughts, having used it almost daily as my main travel/YouTube/vlogging camera. This review will not cover every single feature and will only focus on the ones I personally use. I got this camera with the intention of it being my main YouTube camera when I'm out and about or traveling. I use it to capture my travels and to make YouTube videos. In fact, almost all my videos from the last few months have been shot on the Pocket 3 either partly or fully. Despite the camera having a ton of different features and modes, the main use case is basic video. From time to time, I also take photos with it, but that's mostly for YouTube thumbnails. When it comes to video, I use it as a POV camera, give it to someone to film me or set it up on a tripod with one of the smart tracking modes to follow me around. And if you use the camera without any grips or extensions and you have big hands, you will not like it. However, if you either add the small extension or if you're like me and have small hands, then the fit is great. The main selling point is just how small it is. It really does fit into your pocket and it means it's always ready to go. There is minimal faff when it comes to switching it on and recording. Simply turn the screen to turn it on and hit record. Number 4. Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is the best compact vlogging camera you can buy. Its mix of a bright lens, superb autofocus, and design tweaks like the side flipping screen make it a powerful pocket video option with few peers. Those seeking super smooth walking footage might find its image stabilization a slight letdown, and it has a few familiar usability quirks, but the ZV-1 remains the best video all-rounder in its weight class, and that the Sony ZV-1 is 4 years old but remains in a several TechRadar buying guides is testament to its filmmaking chops, especially for those starting out in filmmaking and on a limited budget. Its 4K video and excellent autofocus performance with clever subject detection modes make it one of the best vlogging cameras even in 2024. An updated Sony ZV-1 II was introduced more recently and is also an excellent video camera. However, we have kept the older ZV-1 in key buying guides because the second-gen model simply doesn't do enough to merit. Number 5. OM System OM3. The OM System OM3 is one of the best-looking digital cameras to debut in recent memory. OM's designers have embraced the retro trend with stunning results, creating a throwback to the film era that should turn some heads. As pretty as it is, the OM3 doesn't get by on looks alone. It's as capable a camera as the OM1 Mark II and adds a control dial to swap between different color profiles and filters. Photographers who like a flat front camera with small lenses and value, an all-weather build will fall for the OM3, though we continue to recommend the Panasonic Lumix DC-G9 II as our editor's choice among micro Four Thirds cameras in this price range. The Lumix may not have the OM3's head-turning looks, but it earns the win with its superlative video engine and a gripped body style that balances better with telephoto lenses. And OM's design team took its inspiration from 1970s-era cameras for the OM3. Its silver body with black leather. Number 6. Sony RX100 Mark VII. The Sony RX100 series represents the top tier of the point-and-shoot market. The 7th generation model, the Cybershot DSC RX100 $1,299.99, sports the 8x lens introduced in its predecessor, along with an autofocus system that puts the camera on the same footing as the company's high-end interchangeable lens models. It's a premium camera, with a price match, but backs it up with top-notch speed and optics. And smartphone cameras continue to get better thanks